Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, it almost makes these lines down here look silly. Needless to say, very, very nice day. So let's get the chart updated. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning here, get rid of these lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's right there at 0.032. For those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully that sounds familiar. And I mean, talk about a perfect example that you could put into a textbook. Like I said, you want to see them act as support. So the price gapped all the way up here, and then the price pulled back a little bit, and surprise, surprise, look right where the price happened to bounce right off that level of support. So a great example of that former level of resistance now acting as support, a little near term area of support. And this is what I would call the best case scenario. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 0.038, that would make things look very, very strong. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. Just saying from, most beautiful, point of view, definitely staying above 0.038. And then taking a big step back and looking at the grand scheme of things, it's all about the purple line. And the easiest way to look at that, as I've said in past videos, as long as the price is above that purple line, 50-period simple moving average, the bulls are in full control. And now we have numerous examples of, the moving average acting just like you would want to see it. Several times the bears have tried to press down below there, but each and every time the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding up above it. So again, from big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are owning the chart in full. Now, in terms of levels of resistance, I think we may have to go to a daily time frame. Yeah, there we go, which is a good problem to have. So each one of these represents a day, because now we're going way back into the chart's history, because it's been a long time since the price has been up here. So initial area of resistance right here at 0.045, which is basically where the price closed today. So I better add in one more. And then after 0.045, right up there, what is that at? That makes it easy. 0.05. So 0.045, and then a nickel, key levels of resistance going into next week. But no doubt about it, very nice past couple of weeks. And as I've been saying and will continue to say, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.